Hello friends, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to add custom CSS in block themes in WordPress. In this video, we will cover two main topics. First, what is additional CSS? And second, how to add additional CSS in the block theme. Custom CSS is added to align various properties to any page. In block theme, you may find a problem finding the section where custom CSS is to be added. Well, no problem, we will go through the whole process of adding the CSS and changing some properties of the page. Let's get started. First, you need to open your site editor. Now head to the top right corner and you will find this icon, click on it. Just below the icon, there are three dots, that are to expand the setting. Click here. Our option is here. Click on Additional CSS. And this is the section we are searching for. Write your CSS here. Let me write some, for example. That's how we add additional CSS in the block theme. I hope this tutorial will help you. Like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.